Uh, Assalamu alaikum. And today's lecture we will discuss about the equine science. So in this lecture series about the animal science, the first one we are starting from the equines. As from this picture you can see that there are three different kinds of animals or different types of animals in equines: the horses, zebra, and the donkey. Um, let's exclude the donkey from this group. Because of its behavior, these are not domesticated animals, while horse and donkey, these are the domesticated animal. There are different forms of these, both of horses and donkey all over the world, um, kept for various purposes. In the lecture, you will become familiar with all the uses of these animals. Uh, the horses, the most important because of their use in the ancient time as well as in the modern era. These are the most important animals. So the course will be mainly focused on the horses, and it has different breeds depending on their size, their colors, as you see in the pictures, as well as on their use, where they are used for recreation, for sports, for as draft animals, as a source of power, as well as on their weight, where they are heavy horses or light horses, and another classification based on their origin, that their lines from where it has been originated. First of all, we should know about the science of equine. In this course, we will discuss about the physiological feature of the horses, um, the different system within the horses, the um, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, skeletal system, the digestion. All these physiology of all these system will be discussed. Anatomy plus physiology. Behavior of the horses will be discussed, and about the health, the normal health as well as the pathological feature of the horses, where these diseases are caused by infectious agent or the non-infectious agent, as well as for the farming of the horses, the management system will be also discussed. So this group of animals belongs to the family Equidae. And what are the silent features? These four are the silent features of the horses: the cylindrical legs. In other animals, just like cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, we see that all these are four legs animal, but the legs of the horse they are more slender as compared to the other one. And the most important feature is the hoofs, presence of hoofs. So these hoofs, the modern or in our domesticated horse, we see the single hoof. It has been evolved by the development of the third hoof and the degeneration of the other toes. And it has also the long faces with expressive eyes. As we see in the horses that they have the more expressive eyes as compared to the other animal, and because of their habit, so they are herbivores, obligate herbivores, feeding both on the roughages and the concentrates depending on the stage of the animal and the purpose of the reforming. Now, why this science is important? It's because of its use use in sports, recreation, as well as I have told you in the start that these horses are also used as draft animal or source of power. And the breeding is very interesting, management and conservation. Because as we know that in the modern area, of the different areas of the transportation and other things. The horses has been replaced by different vehicles, but still in developing worlds, these are used as a source of power as a draft animal, and even in developed countries, it is used as a source of transportation to the areas where the excess of mm, vehicle is not possible. So keep in touch. We will discuss all these in detail in the other lectures.